You know what's funny? It's not the hard things that stop us. It's our brain's refusal to even start them. You know you should study. You know you should work out. You know you should build that skill. But your brain whispers, maybe later. And suddenly, later becomes never. So how do you fight back? How do you force your brain to do hard things, even when it doesn't want to? That's what the Lotus Method is all about. A simple system to turn pain into progress, resistance into results. Let's break it down. Why your brain resists hard work. Your brain's number one job isn't success, it's survival. It hates uncertainty, it avoids effort. Every time you start something challenging, your brain screams, danger, discomfort ahead. That's why scrolling your phone feels easy. And studying or exercising feels like climbing a mountain barefoot. But here's the catch. The moment you start, your brain switches modes. It moves from avoidance to activation. The pain fades, focus rises, and momentum kicks in. So the real battle isn't doing the work, it's starting the work. Step 1. The Lotus Rule. Think about how a lotus grows. It starts in the mud, dirty, dark, uncomfortable, but it keeps pushing upward, 1 inch at a time, until it breaks through the surface and blooms. That's you. Every hard task begins in the mud. Confusion, resistance, fear, but the only way out is through. The Lotus Rule is simple. Don't wait for motivation. Create momentum from discomfort. Instead of saying, I'll do it when I feel ready, say, I'll start while it's still muddy, because just like the lotus, your growth begins in discomfort, not after it. Step 2. The 5-minute override. The next time your brain refuses to start, give it an easy win. Say this, I'll just do it for 5 minutes. Set a timer, open the book, start the workout, begin the project. After 5 minutes, something amazing happens. Your brain realizes, oh, this isn't so bad. And now you're in motion. This is called the behavioral activation loop. Once your body starts moving, your brain follows. The hardest part, starting, is done. Step 3. The friction fix. The brain loves shortcuts, so if a task feels heavy, remove the friction. Want to study? Keep your books open on your desk, not hidden in your bag. Want to work out? Put your shoes by the door the night before. Want to write? Keep your document open on your screen. The less resistance you have between you and the first action, the faster your brain switches into go mode. You don't need willpower. You need environment power. Step 4. The Lotus Expansion. Once you start small, expand slowly. Don't chase giant leaps, chase daily inches, because the lotus doesn't bloom overnight. It grows millimeter by millimeter, silently, steadily, consistently. That's how you master anything hard. 20 minutes of effort today, 30 tomorrow, 1 hour next week. Progress compounds. Your brain starts associating hard things with growth, not pain. That's when you become unstoppable. Step 5. The rewire moment. Every time you push through resistance, your brain rewires. It releases dopamine after effort, not before. That's nature's reward system saying, you did something hard, here's your win. This is how the Lotus Method transforms you. You stop chasing easy rewards. You start earning real ones. Your brain stops avoiding discomfort and starts craving it. So, are you ready to rise from the mud? Because once you do, you'll never see hard the same way again. Subscribe, like, and comment. What's the one hard thing you'll start today? Let's grow.